Hello everyone. So today's video is going to be the new house tour. It's the empty house tour, but I so wanted to do this in the daytime. But we're probably moving a lot of things tomorrow, so it won't be empty anymore, and it won't be set for a while. So I just wanted to quickly show you guys what the place looks like. And it was getting a little difficult for me to shoot there, and the kitchen is a little small, so I love that house. It was not constructed for me as such, but I did the housewarming when I was in college. It was our first construction ever, so a lot of sentimental value. But yeah, finally had to make a decision. I'm gonna miss that place, especially the balcony. But anyway, so let's get started and I'll show you guys around. And this video is going to be a little bit of vlog style because I forgot to bring the tripod. And also it's dark. I do have the studio light, so I think you'll be able to see as much as possible. But yeah, don't mind if you can't see a lot of things. I'll try and put pictures and videos of how it looks in the daytime as well. So before we begin, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I have a lot of home series videos coming up and a lot of other videos planned. A lot of festive videos as well, so don't forget to subscribe and also follow me on Instagram for all the quick updates and mini hauls, reviews and all that. Now let's begin. And so this is the hall and this is the entryway. As you can see, this is the entrance door and this is the entryway, and this entire stretch is the hall. So this is the entrance and this is the living area as you enter. So it has these huge windows. That's the best part of the house. There's some chanting going on in the background. But yeah, I really wanted to do this in the daylight, but right now is the time that's only left because tomorrow we're moving few things. So this entire space looks amazing in the daylight, which is one of the reasons why I wanted a house with a lot of light. So this left side is where you enter from, and this is the living area. So probably have some seating here with coffee table and all that. And this entire wall, I plan to keep it empty so that I can shoot. You can see the long windows here that probably makes this the shoot area, and here we have like a whole seating area with a coffee table and everything. I'll show you guys how it looks. So this is the entry and that's the hall that I was just showing you guys. So when we move this side, this is the other hall and the balcony. This is the hall. And to the left, it has this dining area, which is right next to the kitchen, and that's the pathway like to the bedrooms. So this will be the TV area. TV will go right here, and one more sitting area here, and opposite me is the dining area, and this side is the puja room. I'll show you the puja. This is the kitchen. It's pretty huge. This is the shower, another area, washing. And this entire space is actually pretty good. So there's a lot of space here, the storage and everything. It's nicely done, so pretty excited about that. Makes it a lot easier to work around it. And here everything is quite nice. Everything is quite nicely arranged here, so I'm pretty happy about the kitchen. One of the main reasons why we're moving also. And there's a wash area, and right next to this is the dining area. I'll show you guys. Wash area and stuff. Here we are again back in the hall. It has this dining area which is right next to the kitchen, and that's the pathway like to the bedrooms. So this way to the rooms, and this is the master bedroom, and these are the other two rooms. Let's go. This is the master bedroom. It's actually a pretty huge space, and it has two windows like both the sides. So right next to the bed there's like a long windows here. So there will be ample sunlight here as well. So I can probably put like a working space right here or like a reading chair. I think it will look really nice and a lot of sunlight. Just next to the windows here we have the dressing area which leads to the bathroom. There's like good amount of space here. This is very similar to the dressing area in my bedroom, the round bed one, that bedroom. So pretty excited about this entire space. And there's some storage here and there's a bathroom here. So this is the one of the bedrooms, probably Yash's office room. So this is probably going to be the office room, and quite a nice space. Has long windows again. Again, it has like nice long windows there where the view is going to be great. Office table, probably the treadmill, and this one also has a bathroom and little storage space. So yeah. So here is the door and all that, and this is probably going to be the office room, so office space maybe. This is the other room, so this is probably going to be the guest room. Again, long windows, so I'm going to take this room so that I can shoot like makeup videos and all that, because I think the lighting will be great. I'll show you how it looks in the daylight as well. So this is the bathroom, and here we have some storage. Probably gonna put a bed here for guests, but overall a pretty nice room. That's the office room we just came from. So because there's a lot of windows, I thought this will be a room where I can shoot a little bit of like makeup videos and the regular sit down videos that I do, but we'll probably shoot outfit videos in the hall, which I showed you guys. Day 2 mattress in the living room, but view though. These are my parents' 20-year-old mattresses. Any years old, Amma? Ante 30.
85 లో అనుకో 85 లో 85 లో అన్నది.
Mattresses from 1985 and also beds were also from 1985. This bed is from 1985. I love it. Love seeing kids and dogs playing. Made myself a frappe to sustain myself because I have a lot more to unpack, although my mom is helping. Yeah, probably will continue in the next vlog. I'll show you guys how I'm arranging everything, and then after I finish up, you'll get a full-fledged new house tour, you guys. So that's gonna happen. For now, let's end this vlog here. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. I am super excited. Hope you're all excited about the house tour, and hope you're all enjoying these videos. And I have some festive videos also, and I have series of giveaways going on my channel, so do participate if you haven't participated yet. And I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram. See you guys. Bye.